How to fix no service SIM card problem on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix no SIM card problem or basically no service even if you have a SIM card on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're facing this issue, there can be several reasons. So the first one is due to your system's issue, which you can fix by going to your settings and going to general. Then scrolling down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on it and then tap on reset. There you'll find an option called reset network settings. Tap on it and follow the prompt to reset your network settings. After you reset your network settings, check if the problem is still there. If not, you can also check if your airplane mode is turned on or not. Sometimes unknowingly you might have turned on your airplane mode, which will not prevent you from using your SIM card's service. So if that's not the case, what you can do is simply use a SIM card ejector and simply take out your SIM card and put it right back in. And after you put it right back in, check if the problem is solved. If not, there might be a hardware related issue which you can get checked and repaired. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.